In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a deduction for car registration fees that are based on your vehicle's value, and exactly where to enter that amount, so it counts on your tax return. Many states charge an annual registration that includes a value-based component. That portion is considered a personal property tax, which is generally deductible if it's assessed each year and calculated on the car's value. Flat fees or charges for things like plates, emissions, or local add-ons usually don't qualify, so it's worth glancing at your registration notice to see how your state labels the value-based part. It might be called a vehicle license fee, ad valorem tax, or something similar. Let's walk through the entry. Start by opening your return and going to the Deductions and Credits section. This is where your software groups all itemized deductions, including personal property taxes. Once you're there, look for the Car Registration Fees category. If you don't see it right away, use the search within that section or expand the taxes area. It's typically listed alongside other state and local tax items. When you find car registration fees, click Start to open the entry screen. You'll see a simple field asking for the amount you paid. Enter the amount of your annual registration that's based on the vehicle's value. If your bill lists only one combined fee and your state confirms it's value-based, you can enter the full amount. If the bill shows separate lines, enter only the value-based portion. For example, if you paid $120 and that entire $120 is calculated on your car's value, type in $120. That's it. No cents are necessary unless your software specifically asks for them. After entering the amount, select Continue to save your entry and move forward. Your software will add this to your deductible personal property taxes and include it with your other itemized deductions. Keep your registration receipt or renewal notice with your records in case you need to confirm the amount later. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Check that the fee you're entering is for the current tax year and is assessed annually. If your statement breaks out multiple fees, look for keywords like value, assessed value, VLF, or ad valorem to identify the deductible portion. And remember, this deduction typically benefits taxpayers who itemize. Your software will compare itemizing to the standard deduction automatically. That's all it takes. Go to Deductions and Credits, find car registration fees, click Start, enter what you paid that qualifies, and continue. Simple, accurate, and done.